How to get Grubhub gift card. Hi everyone, this is Susan from Create, Login and Delete, and now let's get started. First of all, open any web browser or search engine on your phone or PC. Okay, now search for Amazon.com. Now tap on the first link on top, which is the official website for Amazon. Now go to the search bar and search for Grubhub gift card right here. Now over here you can see various options like Grubhub gift card, Grubhub e-gift card, but for now I'm going to go for Grubhub gift card right here on top. Okay, now tapping on your option, you'll come across this page where you have to select gift amount. So the minimum amount is $25 and the maximum amount is $500. Now in my case I'm choosing $50 for now. Okay. Now if you scroll down below, you can also choose a design name, but for now we only have the option of traditional design. So let's go back, and if you scroll down, you can also select the quantity for the gift cards you want to purchase. Select any of it you want to buy. Now at the end you can see send as a gift, include custom message. You can also write a message of your own for the person you are going to send this gift card to. Now after following all these steps, at last you can just tap on buy now, and then you'll successfully be able to get Grubhub gift card. That was it for today. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe.